Hello and welcome to Gear Hub. Today we are going to learn how to use the ELDX app. So first we'll open the app. We'll use the username and password to log in. Once we log in, we can see the interface of the application. Now at the top we can see the different kind of statuses which can be used since the application is in off duty. So whenever we need to go on duty, we need to click on duty. The location will pop up automatically. There is no need to put in the location manually, it comes up automatically. So just for the testing purpose, I'll put it manually and then I'll put the comment and then I'll confirm it. So now we can see that the application is on duty. So we also need to make sure that the application has to be connected to the device which is connected to the truck. So once the device is connected and the ignition is on, we need to click on the ELD disconnected sign. So just need to make sure that the vehicle type is property, the cycle rule is right, and then just scroll down. We will see an option as scan. So once we scan it, it will ask to turn on the Bluetooth, which we will allow. And then within a few seconds, we would be able to see the hardware name with the MAC address. Click on that and the device will be connected, and this red one will turn into green and it will show as ELD connected. After that, we can also update the BOL number on the right hand side, wherein we can see update shipping document number, which is in a red box. Click on that, put in the shipping number in the box and then confirm it, and the information will be saved. So now we can see that the time has already started. At the end, we can see that the time remaining from the cycle and how many hours we have for driving and when we are supposed to take the first break. So now we will learn how to check the logs. So we can see logs at the very bottom of the screen, and then we can see the logs of the previous days and the current day. So we'll click on the current day, we'll scroll down and we can see a graph. So in order to learn more about what the driver has done throughout the day, we can click on the graph and then we can see in detail that when the shift was started and the remaining events which are there in that particular day. So we'll go back and now we can also sign the logs by clicking on the option as sign. So there is no need to put in the location manually, it comes up automatically. But since it's a test account, I'll just put that in and I'll click on agree. So we can see that the log has been signed. So we'll go back to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard option on the left hand side bottom. And now we'll learn what needs to be done in case of a roadside inspection. So we'll click on the roadside inspection in the middle of the screen, and if the truck driver is pulled over by the DOT inspector, then the driver needs to submit the logs. So the driver can click on the second option, that is send logs to DOT, and then the DOT inspector provides a code, so the driver needs to put that in. For example, like this and then click on send. So after this, the last 7 days logs including the current day will be sent to the duty inspector. So in order to go back to the dashboard, we need to put in the application password which we use to log in. And after that, we would be able to come back to the main screen. We can also check the hours remaining from the HOS, which is there in the middle of the screen. And we can learn how many hours has been worked today and what are the hours which are available. We'll go back to the previous screen